How to use square brackets. Note, the use of square brackets is quite different from round brackets, also called parentheses. Parentheses are used to insert additional information in a sentence which isn't essential to the meaning of the sentence. Square brackets are used to make text clearer and to indicate words that have been added by someone other than the original author. There's also a special use of square brackets, which we'll explain later in the video. Notice in the following examples how the information in brackets makes the meaning of the sentence clearer and indicates also the words have been added by someone other than the author. Here's the first example. This picture was entitled L'heure dorée. It's the hour, in French, the golden hour, before the sun sets, when the light is very warm, the shadows are long, and the whole world takes on a certain romantic quality. Next, this photo is entitled Watch the Gap, between the train and the platform. This is Times Square, 42nd Street Station, after midnight on December 2005, New York City. This photo was taken during Vivid Sydney, an annual festival of light, music and ideas, when buildings are lit up around the city, Sydney, Australia. Now, a special use of square brackets is with the grammatical device in brackets SIC, Latin sic. The Latin word sic means thus, and is used to indicate that an error in the original writing is intentionally quoted exactly as it was written. Sic is usually italicized and put in square brackets directly after the error. When reading a text, sic is not normally read out loud. For example, the New York Daily News ran an article about a t-shirt manufacturer who intentionally used the word your incorrectly instead of the your contraction. The insertion of sic right after the word indicates incorrect grammar which appears in the original text. Here is the example. T-shirt by Wet Seal. The company is selling a t-shirt for girls with the following grammatically incorrect sentence written in shiny silver print. If you are single, so am I. In conclusion, remember, round brackets or parentheses are used to include extra information in a sentence which isn't essential. However, you need to use square brackets if you add words to someone's writing to clarify and make the meaning clear. Has this video helped you? Hit like now. Continually improve your English by subscribing to this channel. Hit the subscribe button now, click the bell icon and choose all to be notified when there are new videos. And build a powerful English vocabulary with my free course on Udemy. Go to goodenglish.online.